It is effective in relieving inflammation that affects most of the organs and tissues of the human body, digestive system, nervous system, skin, joints, muscles, tendons, etc. Whether auto-inflammatory, systemic and localized autoimmune diseases, or inflammatory conditions of undetermined origin, regular consumption of turmeric helps relieve symptoms and associated pain, by inhibiting an enzyme responsible for the synthesis of prostaglandins inflammatory. Studies have shown that curcumin has an anti-inflammatory effect similar to NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and cortisone, acting on pain, the mediators of inflammation, and on morning joint stiffness, all without unwanted side effects like irritation of the digestive tract. 1,200 mg of curcumin per day is as effective as phenylbutazone, a treatment for rheumatoid arthritis. 2 grams of turmeric per day for 6 weeks have effects comparable to 800 mg of ibuprofen per day. Long-term consequences of consuming turmeric: reduction in the frequency of arthritis attacks, reduction in pain intensity, slowing the onset of inflammation and destruction of the joint. Inflammations of the skin, wounds and scars, the healing, antibacterial, antiseptic, healing and soothing properties of turmeric are proven and approved by all. It is used as a paste to fight psoriasis, eczema or acne. See our article on the benefits of turmeric on the skin. Use it to treat minor wounds, cuts, scrapes, acne and skin lesions. It also helps soothe redness. More surprisingly, turmeric helps fight against hair growth. It is also used to prepare pasta and natural hair removal mask in India. Estomac acidity, consequence of an excess of hydrochloric acid secretion in the stomach. The causes are numerous: meal too rich in meat, tobacco, alcohol, energy drinks, soft drinks, sodas, excessive animal fats, etc. Turmeric helps fight acidity and acid reflux of the stomach, either by regular consumption in the kitchen, or at the time of symptoms, thanks to an infusion of turmeric with a dash of lemon juice and honey. Golden honey can also be effective in this case. Diarrhea, simple or viral diarrhea, due to stress, a cold spell, or others. We have all been confronted with this most unpleasant symptom. Studies have shown that turmeric helps relieve diarrhea by stopping the destruction of cells in the intestinal wall. To treat yourself, drink a turmeric infusion twice a day. The antimicrobial properties of turmeric are also effective in gastroenteritis. Bloating: one of the annoying intestinal problems is bloating, which can be painful. This increase in the volume of air in the digestive tract is often due to large mouthfuls swallowed too quickly, or to an excess of carbonated drinks, etc. Regular consumption of turmeric, in the kitchen or as an infusion, effectively combats bloating. Turmeric is beneficial for all digestion problems: heartburn, abdominal pain, gastroesophageal reflux, colic, nausea, etc. Nausea: consuming turmeric, especially when combined with ginger, helps relieve nausea of all kinds, motion sickness, pregnant women, chronic nausea, etc. Prepare a turmeric infusion and add a piece of ginger, with a dash of honey to calm nausea. Bad intestinal transit: poor intestinal transit often leads to stomach aches, dyspepsia, abdominal pain, fatigue, headache, bloating sensations, loss of appetite, heaviness in the stomach and gallbladder after large meals, flatulence, etc. It appears to be mainly related to stress and anxiety. All of these symptoms can be greatly relieved by regular consumption of turmeric, which has a direct impact on sleep, which is why turmeric is found in moon milk, the Indian drink that helps sleep. The World Health Organization has recognized its positive action against digestive disorders. Constipation: mainly linked to our diet, constipation can also be psychological or emotional. Apart from general advice such as physical activity, reducing fatty foods, increasing fiber consumption or drinking more water per day, regular consumption of turmeric is an excellent prevention of constipation.